If you're choosing between Little Hotelier and Cloudbeds, this isn't just PMS versus PMS. It's simplicity for small properties versus a full hospitality platform. So, which property management software is actually better? Let's break it down. Little Hotelier is built specifically for small hotels, guest houses, B&Bs, and boutique properties. It combines a PMS, booking engine, and channel manager into a very beginner-friendly system. A lot of independent property owners like it because setup is relatively simple and you don't need a dedicated IT team to manage it. But here's the catch. Scalability is limited. As your property grows or your workflows become more complex, the platform can start to feel restrictive. Cloudbeds takes a much broader approach. It's a full hospitality platform with PMS tools, channel management, payments, analytics, automation, and integrations designed for growing hotels and multi-property operations. It's also widely adopted globally, with stronger reporting and operational features than Little Hotelier. The downside is complexity and pricing. Many users say Cloudbeds has a steeper learning curve and becomes significantly more expensive as features and rooms scale up. So the real difference is this. Little Hotelier helps small properties manage bookings simply, while Cloudbeds helps hotels run larger hospitality operations more professionally. So, which property management software is better? Choose Little Hotelier if you want simple hotel management with easy setup and lower cost. Choose Cloudbeds if you want advanced automation, scalability, and deeper operational control. Bottom line, Cloudbeds is a better overall platform because it's more powerful, scalable, and feature-rich. But for small independent hotels that just want an easy all-in-one system without complexity, Little Hotelier can actually be the more practical choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.